at the Las Vegas Convention Center 2 days before SEMA. I'm going to show you guys all the behind the scenes stuff of what happens throughout until SEMA finally opens up on Tuesday. We are headed to the media center. We've been working with SEMA for the past couple years, so we have media credentials. So we go pick up our passes, whereas if you're an exhibitor, you actually get your passes mailed to you.
Appreciate it, buddy.
Last minute fuel up. Did you get in here because you got scared?
Yeah, I'm a little scared. Yeah, man, you gotta take a picture. No, man, you good.
There's your caddy.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of vehicles here. It's
I like the grill job is interesting though.
Today's Sunday, right?
Yeah. Sunday. Yeah.
Yeah. So even though it's Sunday, there's still a lot of vehicles here because they started rolling the vehicles in on Saturday and starting today. So most of the vehicles will be set up by today and tonight and tomorrow night. They're gonna finish setting up the rest of the convention center for their booth. So we'll kind of walk around and show you guys the behind the scenes of people setting up their booths, because it will be pretty empty in there right now, and it's pretty crazy on Tuesday how everything is just spotless and perfectly set up.
Yeah, my taste in the entire world is like assembled.
Oh my gosh.
You put a whole like ecosystem together in 2 days.
Right? What? Yeah. All right, everyone got their SEMA passes?
Yeah.
All right, we're ready to roll. The good thing of being the media pass instead of exhibitor, it really doesn't matter if we go to Central or South.
Yeah, you want to go look at South and see some of the setup there?
Yeah, because they do a lot of, this hall right here, they do a lot of like body work, body shop stuff. Tools.
That's where you find all the places like Harbor Freight that everybody loves. But all your tool companies will be set up in there, and like the cool part is new and interesting tools that haven't hit the market yet will showcase here.
It's pretty sweet, and honestly with the media pass we can get to those places before and after, like outside of the normal operating hours, whereas SEMA guest over here, I don't know if she's going to be able to.
As long as she's with me, she goes wherever.
You think so?
Yes. That's what I was told.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So exhibitor passes, you can't. So last year, a couple of us had the exhibitor passes, and they couldn't get in, whereas we could.
My first year here was exhibitor pass, but then I think I had a mix match. I had 2 badges.
Yeah.
Exhibitor pass because I was showcasing for TIS.
The door's actually open over there.
Is it?
Yeah. We just walked by. This is like behind the scenes. It's so busy right now. It's
so
like
here's all your tool companies.
Nothing is set up. Snap-on's here this year. Wow. I need to get some of my mechanic friends away from this place before they go bankrupt before the end of the show.
The Snap-on guy's gonna get us.
Oh yeah, not me. Can't afford Snap-on.
The Harbor Freight guy's gonna get you.
The Harbor Freight guy is gonna get me for sure. They get me every year, and I'm okay with that. I can afford Harbor Freight. And then really, I just need some Harbor Freight. I don't need like all the Snap-on stuff.
Yeah, you can talk to all the guys on TikTok about the difference between Harbor Freight.
Oh yeah.
That's a fun discussion.
It will really get people worked up.
Which one do you guys think is better, Snap-on or Harbor Freight?
For what I need,
50-50 guy.
Yeah, for what I need, I'm a Harbor Freight guy.
My opinion is it depends on how much you're using the tool. If it's like a one-time use, go to freaking Harbor Freight. Get it, use it. If it breaks, it's not a big deal. It's cheap. But if it's something you use on a day-in, day-out basis, spend the extra money, get the more quality tool. I'm not saying Harbor Freight is not quality, because they do have some really decent quality But
Yeah. I'm actually excited for Gear Wrench. See what kind of stuff they got.
I got a ton of gear and stuff in my boxes, yeah.
this is a trailer we need to tow with us to SEMA every year because how much work do we get?
That's true. Matt's out there finishing up his Bronco right now. But here it is. They're gonna be working throughout today and tomorrow. Oh, Hummer EV. It's gonna be unrecognizable when we get here in a couple days.
Yeah, 48 hours.
Talk about last minute crunch. Whoa, it's raining in Vegas? Check that out. So they're doing a renovation at the Las Vegas Convention Center right here. I guess they're expanding it, making it bigger, turning it into was there a second story before? I don't remember. Oh, there was a second story, but it was like for like classrooms. So yeah, they're expanding this. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's awesome. That looks beautiful. How it's gonna look. No, Karen, it won't be done in 2 days, okay? It will not be ready for...
Yeah, well, look at the progress. Come on now.
Guys,
Put a tarp
we're on a time
over
limit here. Let's hurry up.
Let's go. No lunch breaks. Higher...
SEMA crunch.
We went to Klein, because that's where I picked him up last year, but we now have to go to registration to pick up the 2 extra passes that we have got. Our boy Devin is staging. This is Devin's SEMA debut with Anthony,
What's up, guys?
the build manager.
What's going on? What's going on?
That actually made all of this happen.
What's up, guys? I got one more.
Anthony and Shannon made all of this happen.
Mostly Anthony.
Mostly Anthony?
Mostly Anthony.
Oh, you actually give him credit?
Emotional support.
Okay. Well then, you kind of help him a little bit here and there.
I mean, I help the shop, but I had
yeah.
nothing to do with Devon's.
Oh yeah. Well, kinda. Let's just say you do.
I do.
You encouraged him last year.
You're
I
lead
do.
mechanic.
No, you encouraged him last year.
Yeah, I did, actually.
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah, this is good.
Our boy Devin.
Look at our son.
Our boy Devin making his debut at SEMA 2024. So this is what staging looks like. Hey, at least he's here before 4 o'clock, because his staging wasn't until 4 o'clock.
Yeah, he got in early.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, are you Devin Fain?
Yeah, I'm Devin.
Are you Devin Fain with Elevator Motorsports?
I am.
Nice. Hey, what do you do for a living?
Sitting on the couch and
The dogs?
yeah.
All right, let's see how they look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Uh-oh. Oh, you got your footprint on there, Lisa. How are you gonna take a video of that? And you just smeared all the dirt in it. Oh my goodness.
You missed the spot.
Stop, close it.
Oh, she's smearing more. There you go. Beautiful. I love the powder coat on a running board where you step on every time that you get in and out of the...
Stop.
So I really don't know how they're gonna keep this one scratch free. Look, you can get out, but don't step on the step.
One step.
There you go. That's true. There you go.
You need someone shorter to do it.
Oh nope, not putting my finger there.
Why don't they say they...
But they tuck in pretty nice. These are the Rough Country steps. If you didn't know, Rough Country actually has electric running boards now.
Like content for me.
And you have to use the magnet system to get them to work, but it works pretty good. And a lot cheaper than the competition as well. Oh, you hear that? It hits.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't like the way it sounds.
It's got just enough.
It just has a little play.
It's the
Slap.
I'll show you. It's these right here.
Oh wait, actually it doesn't
So
hit.
it's not touching the car.
It's just rattling from.
It is touching
Oh yeah.
It's this. These are rattling. Those are rattling, but
Oh, it's that rattling. Gotcha.
the overtime's gonna be a little notch. Oh yeah, I see it. I mean, it was gonna do that anyway, because the part that's hitting it is the but it's fine.
All right, day one of SEMA. Well, behind the scenes of SEMA. You guys see everyone setting up, and we are currently headed to Hostile Wheels to drop off one extra wheel that they shipped. So we're gonna go say hey to everybody there right now who are setting up. But while we're going there, I want to show you guys kind of everything else on what it actually looks like behind the scenes before the show starts. Oh yeah, we at the Hostile booth.
Tell me those wheels aren't dope.
Oh yeah, I want those. Sick.
30.
Oh, they finally came out with it?
That's a beautiful build. I like that wrap. Is this a wrap job? Have you inspected it?
Paint. Oh no, I'm just saying this.
No,
is
but have you
wrap.
inspected it yet?
No.
She's certified. It's fine.
I'm inspecting it so I can learn from it.
For the wrap?
Yeah.
Luma step M2 Boost Auto.
Oh, they got the Boost Auto steps. Sick. Heck yeah.
So because the lip cost so much.
Wow, whoever wrapped it, they did a pretty freaking good job.
Hey, you can see the seam in the wrap right here on the roof. If you take a good look, you can kind of see the overlay, the 1/8 overlay for the roof.
Is it an overlay or is it a?
Yeah. Why would the truck not have seen it?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's kind of hard to make out.
Well, honestly,
I mean, hell, it's hard to.
Yeah.
It's almost impossible to not have a seam somewhere.
It does help that it's a black truck, because right here, you guys can't tell, it kind of looks like a shadow, but that's black paint. But honestly, like, man, they did a really good job. Like, this looks better than, I would say, 90% of the wrap jobs that you see at shows.
Hey man, did you take a picture of that?
Yeah.
You gotta delete the picture, man.
Delete it?
Yeah. And no pictures of the car.
Okay.
I'm just
I
messing.
was gonna say. that sounds
messing with you, bro.
I was
He was like, wait, what?
That sounds like the most ridiculous thing ever.
It sounded good though, right? I had authority with that. I said it with my chest.
You did say it with the chest.
Yeah. All right.
Sam, there's people coming.
All right,
Ask for their passes. Ask for their passes.
Badges, guys? You guys got badges?
I need to pick mine up. Or am I picking
I'm
it
just
up?
messing. I'm nobody.
Oh, okay.
I appreciate y'all pulling the badge out though. Look.
He just looks important at the
I look
table.
important at the table though, right?
Another one.
Go on, man. You got a badge?
No.
Can't come in the building without a badge, man. I'm just messing with you. Go ahead. I'm literally nobody sitting here just looking. Go ahead. Go ahead. Look, if you sit at a table, everyone believes everything you say.
You look so efficient.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
All right, let's move this table over there and start.
Is it in the middle of everything?
Yeah.
See what's going on?
You're doing more. You
need you to respect
Stan's doing more work than over there.
Excuse me.
We just walked through. Excuse me, folks.
Those guys over there aren't really working, but Stan, he is.
I'm protecting those that protect us.
Stan made one guy delete a photo that he took of that vehicle right there, and then scared two people because they didn't have badges. All right, they got an exhibitor. Tell them they need a media pass.
You need a pink badge. What's going on, guys? You got badges? You have the pink badges? What? You got the pink badges? Pink badges. You gotta have pink badges. Come in here. I'm just kidding. I'm just messing with you. It sounded good though. You thought about it for a second, right? What did he say?
Well, it's so hard not to smile in the middle of that.
Everyone's like, what? Yeah, I don't even care.
Nothing like ending the night with a little barbecue.
What are you doing?
Little fire show right here. Burgers. And hot dogs.
Have you seen the meme where it says
Your body is used to it.